How to fix double click mouse on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our desktop right here. And then once you're now here on the search bar, just type for main.cpl, which is right here, and then click enter. Once you do that, this window will open. All you have to do is to just adjust the double click speed right here. So if you want to make it faster, you can adjust it right here. If you want to make it slower, you can drag this right here. So it's really up to you on what will fit you best. And then once you're now done with this, the next thing that we need to do is to just click apply and then click OK. After that, the next thing that we need to do next is to go on the search bar and then search for device manager and then open that. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just look for our mice, which is right here. And then let's say, for example, this is the mouse that you're using. All you have to do is to right click on it, click on properties. And then in this part, go on the driver. And then all you have to do is to just click uninstall device and then click OK. Once you click uninstall device right here, all you have to do is to restart your PC. And then once you restart your PC, all you have to do again is to just go here on the device manager and then go here and right click on it again, go here on the properties, go here on the driver, and then this time you make sure that you update your driver. And then once you do that, just click OK and then that should fix your problem. However, if it is still not working, then the last thing that we can do is to go here on our File Explorer. So just type File Explorer right here and then open this. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do is to click this three dots in this part and then click Options. And then in this part, make sure that you click this double click to open an item or single click to select. So make sure that it is on. And then after that, click Apply and then click OK. After that, that should be it, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix double click mouse on Windows 11.